Every day felt just the same. But today, something was different. I could feel it in the air.
Are you the one we've been waiting for?
He's a bit wrinkly, isn't he?
Well, look what we have here. A visitor with very large ears.
He must be a very good listener, or just very nosy.
Look at that expression, completely bewildered.
He's never seen glowing moss before.
You seek the heart crystal. To earn it, solve my riddle. What has a heart but cannot feel?
I am simple, dark, and smooth. Yet within me lies the path. It wasn't about finding the answer. It was about understanding the question.
An artichoke has a heart, but so does a friend's kindness.
You have shown true empathy, Ramu. The heart crystal is yours.
I came back like you knew.
இந்த ஏஐ வீடியோ பார்த்துருப்பீங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இதில் என்னென்ன மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு கொஞ்சம் கமெண்ட்ஸில் சொல்லுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.